Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a yummy banana cake I'm going to be adding some caramel into this. So today I'm showing you guys how to make a lovely banana cake. I'm going to start off with making some caramel or browning. So to do that, I'm putting my sugar into the pan, heating it up, and once it starts to melt, some water goes in there as well. Once this is all melted and nice, I'm going to set this aside and start to mash my bananas. I'm only using 2 bananas, but you can add more if you want to. I'm breaking my eggs because I like to beat my eggs before I start to put them into the butter and sugar mixture. So first of all, I'm going to fluff up my butter, then I'll add some sugar, beat it, and just keep beating it until it goes double the size and it's fluffy and really light in color. I've added a bit of vanilla to that at the moment, and because I do that because I prefer putting my flavors into my fat, just like I'm doing with the cinnamon right now, and I'm just beating it and beating it. I'm adding my eggs a little bit at a time, and if you find it starts to split, you can always just add a little bit of flour, and this will bring everything back together again. Right after my eggs have gone in, I'm following that with my bananas. I'm going to add that caramel from earlier on. It's completely cooled down now. You don't want this to go in hot at all. It cooled down. I'm going to add that to my cake mixture just before the flour starts to go in. So I've put that in now. Beat it again one last time with the whisk. And then I'm going to put 2/3 of my flour into that cake mix. I'm going to follow that with some milk. So I'm folding it right now. I'm just folding the flour in, mixed everything in, and into the oven it goes for about 30 minutes. And once it comes out, I'm letting it cool down, and I'm going right over it with my lovely cinnamon roll glaze actually, and some nice caramel, and just putting some peanuts on there, and look at that, it looks delicious. So moist and yummy. Give it a try. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to see your comments down below, and you can always follow me on Instagram at Chinelo Bally, and I'm really looking forward to see if you guys do this. Tag me, #Chinelo Bally, #Chinelo Bally lifestyle. It'd be really nice to see what you guys come up with.